Health benefits of dried mulberries. Dried mulberries are not only delicious but also offer several health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits associated with consuming dried mulberries. Rich in antioxidants. Combat oxidative stress and aging. Vitamins and minerals. Provide essential nutrients for overall health. Heart health. Support cardiovascular health with resveratrol. Blood sugar regulation. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber content. Promote digestive health and weight management. Anti-inflammatory. Reduce inflammation in the body. Immune support. Boost the immune system with vitamin C. Eye health. Protect against age-related macular degeneration. Weight management. Contribute to a feeling of fullness. It's important to note that while mulberries can be a healthy addition to your diet, they should be consumed as part of a balanced and varied diet. As with any food, moderation is key, especially if you have specific health conditions or allergies. Always consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.